Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive into the most popular and top-rated products available. I'm thrilled to have you join us today as we explore the latest trends and hottest items on Amazon. In today's episode, we're counting down the best-selling antenna toppers. These fun and quirky accessories are not only a great way to personalize your vehicle, but also to add a touch of personality and flair to your ride. Whether you're looking for something stylish, humorous, or unique, this countdown has something for everyone. So, without further ado, let's get started and discover which antenna toppers have captured the hearts of Amazon shoppers and why they're flying off the virtual shelves. At number 5 on our countdown of the top-selling antenna toppers on Amazon, we have the Toyota Genuine Accessory 86332C040 manual radio antenna mounted base bezel. This is not just any replacement part. It's a perfect blend of form and function. Let's dive into why this particular antenna ornament stands out. First off, compatibility is key. This piece isn't a one-size-fits-all. It's tailored to fit specific models. Be sure to use the Amazon Parts Finder tool to verify if this antenna base matches your vehicle. Don't let uncertainty drive your decision. When it comes to dimensions, the Toyota antenna ornament is crafted with precision. Measuring 3.8 inches by 2.1 inches and with a sleek 0.5-inch profile, it's designed specifically for 2007 to 2012 OEM Toyota Tundras. This ensures that the replacement is not just an afterthought, but a seamless fit. Craftsmanship is where this ornament truly excels. It's meticulously made from premium quality materials, guaranteeing durability that rivals the original. You're not just replacing a part, you're investing in a piece that will stand the test of time, just like the original. The design is another highlight. This antenna ornament replicates the original 86392C040 part, maintaining the exact look and feel of the factory component. It's a subtle yet significant touch that keeps your vehicle's aesthetic consistent. Installation? A breeze. With no need for complicated tools or extensive hacks, you can swap out the old ornament in minutes. Simply remove the old part, push the new ornament into place, and you're done. It's that straightforward. So, if you're looking for a reliable replacement that blends seamlessly with your Toyota Tundra's look while ensuring lasting durability, this antenna ornament is your go-to choice. At number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling antenna toppers on Amazon, we present the EcoAuto Bullet Antenna. Designed exclusively for Jeep Wrangler JK and JL, 2007 to 2023, and Jeep Gladiator models. This isn't just an antenna, it's a statement piece for your vehicle. First things first, let's talk compatibility. Before you click that purchase button, make sure to use Amazon's Parts Finder tool. Confirm that this antenna fits your Jeep's year, make, and model. From 2007 to 2023, whether you drive a Wrangler JK, JKU, JL, JLU, or Gladiator, this antenna has got you covered. Just remember, it won't fit older Jeep models. Now, if you're looking to make a bold statement, this Jeep Gladiator antenna will definitely turn heads. Gone are the days of the ordinary, long, boring antennas. This sleek American flag design adds an undeniable attitude to your ride, giving your Jeep a unique edge. Worried about security? Fear not. The EcoAuto Bullet Antenna comes with a pre-applied thread-locking compound, making it much harder for thieves to make off with your new accessory. It's not just stylish, it's smart. Crafted from military-grade 6061 billet aluminum and finished with a hard, anodized black coating, this antenna is built to last. It's virtually impervious to chipping, scratching, or fading. Car wash, safe and rugged, it's designed to withstand the elements and keep looking sharp. However, keep in mind, while this antenna shines in style, AM/FM radio signals may weaken in more remote areas. For those who prefer the sleek look of a short antenna and rely on Bluetooth or satellite radio, this is your perfect match. So if you're ready to elevate your Jeep style game with an antenna that combines durability, security, and a touch of rebellious flair, the EcoAuto Bullet Antenna is your top choice. At number 3 on our countdown of the top-selling antenna toppers on Amazon, we introduce the EcoAuto Badass 50 cal Bullet Antenna Replacement. This isn't just an accessory, it's a game changer for your Chevy or GMC truck. Let's dive into compatibility first. Whether you're driving a Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, or even a 2014 to 2023 Harley-Davidson Trike, Tour Glide, Electra Glide, Road Glide, or Street Glide, this antenna fits like a glove. Before you order, make sure to use Amazon's Parts Finder tool to confirm the perfect fit for your specific model. Now, if you're looking to turn heads, this antenna does just that. Say goodbye to your long, mundane radio antenna and hello to a sleek, commanding presence. The 50 cal design adds a hefty dose of attitude, making your truck or bike stand out from the crowd. Crafted from military-grade 6061 billet aluminum and finished in a hard anodized matte black, this antenna is built for durability. It resists chipping, scratching, and fading, and is completely car wash safe. And for those who love the look of a real 50 caliber bullet, this topper matches those dimensions perfectly. Security is another strong suit. With a pre-applied thread-locking compound, this antenna deters potential thieves, ensuring that your truck or bike remains as secure as it is stylish. However, a quick note, while this antenna enhances your vehicle's look, AM/FM radio signals might be weaker in remote areas. It's perfect for those who favor the sleek, short antenna design and rely more on Bluetooth or satellite radio. So if you're ready to give your vehicle an edgy upgrade while ensuring top-notch durability and security, the EcoAuto Badass 50 cal bullet antenna replacement is your ultimate choice. Are you loving the countdown of the top-selling antenna toppers on Amazon? If you're finding it a real hit, give us a tune-up by liking, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest updates. At number 2 in our countdown of the top-selling antenna toppers on Amazon, we present the shark fin antenna cover, a sleek upgrade for your vehicle's roof. This universal shark fin measures 6.7 by 2.4 by 2.8 inches, making it a versatile choice for most sedans, SUVs, and vans. However, it's designed specifically for flat roofs, so if your car features a curved roof, this might not be the ideal fit. Before you make your purchase, double-check your car's antenna base size to ensure a seamless installation. Installing this antenna cover is straightforward. Start by removing your existing antenna and cleaning the area thoroughly. Next, affix the included adhesive tape to the bottom of the shark fin. Secure the antenna with a tool, align it carefully, and press down firmly. For best results, make sure the installation area is clean and dry before applying. Constructed from robust ABS material and finished with professional-grade baking paint, this shark fin antenna cover is built to last. Inside, it features a pure copper antenna and chip, ensuring optimal AM/FM signal reception. The result? A stable and powerful signal that won't let you down. But it's not just about functionality. This antenna cover brings a fresh, stylish look to your vehicle. Its streamlined design replaces the old, bulky antenna with a sleek, modern fin that enhances your car's aesthetic. It's not just a cover, it's a statement of style. And with our 100% satisfaction guarantee, you can purchase with confidence. Each product is crafted from high-quality materials and undergoes rigorous quality checks to ensure you receive nothing but the best. Should you have any questions or concerns, our responsive customer service team is ready to assist. So, if you're ready to elevate your vehicle's look while ensuring reliable signal performance, the shark fin antenna cover is your top pick. At number 1 on our countdown of the best-selling antenna toppers on Amazon, we proudly present the EcoAuto Bullet Antenna Replacement. This is not just an antenna, it's a bold statement for your Dodge Ram or Ford F-Series truck. Let's talk compatibility first. This antenna is designed to fit a wide range of models, specifically Dodge Rams from 1994 to 2018 and Ford F-Series trucks, including the F-150, F-250, F-350 Super Duty Raptor and Bronco from 1990 to the present. To ensure a flawless fit, don't forget to use Amazon's Parts Finder tool. Verify your vehicle's year, make, and model to make sure this replacement is right for you. Now, if you're looking to elevate your truck's style, this 50 cal bullet antenna does just that. It's time to replace that old mundane antenna. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling antenna toppers on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Also, check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.